Hello guys, this is Ishmael from 90-Second Web Hub. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to publish our project with specific file types to specific folders in 90-Second Website Builder. To show you what I mean, I'm going to go ahead and publish this particular project. So I'll hit on publish, and then I'm going to publish this particular project to my desktop. That's a new folder on my desktop which is called new. I'll go ahead and publish this project. It takes some time to publish, so the publish is done now. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit on done. Now I'll come back to publish, and then I'm going to explore the folder in which this particular project was published into. Now I'm going to expand this a bit so you can see something. Now as you can see, when I come to this particular section, we have JavaScript files, we have CSS files, that's cascading style sheets, we have other file types in here. Now this isn't really so good in the sense that when you have a project with a lot of pages and you publish it, it means you're going to see your JavaScript files, you're going to see your CSS files, and a whole lot of file types in here, which doesn't really make it good here. So let's see how best we can organize this. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of everything here. So I'm going to delete everything here, and then I'll come back to my 90-Second Website Builder. So let me just go ahead and minimize this. Now when I come in here, I'm going to cancel this for now. I'll come to tools. Under tools, I'm going to go to options. Now under options, I'm going to come to the publish and preview section. So under this section, when you come down a bit, you see target folder for file types. Now by default, we have some file types which has been created for specific targeted folders. Now you can see we have for BMP, which is an image, GIF, which is image, JPEG or JPG, which is image, PNG, which is image. Now the other more file types which are supposed to be created for specific target folders. So we are going to create one for CSS. So CSS is cascading style sheets, and then the folder in which we are going to create that or publish files of CSS file types to is going to be CSS again. I'm going to go ahead and hit on OK, and then I'm going to go ahead and create one for JavaScript. So the file extension for JavaScript is .js, and then the folder is going to be JavaScript. So I'll go ahead and hit on OK. Now I can even continue to create for audio files, that's MP3 as well as video files. So I'll go ahead and hit on add, and then if I have an audio file which is .mp3, I'll just create a folder for audios. I'll go ahead and hit on OK, and then I'll hit on add. So for videos, which is going to be MP4, I'll go ahead and create a folder for videos, and then I'll go ahead and hit on OK. Now I can even create for documents. So if it's PDF, it's going to be in my document. I'll go ahead and hit on OK, and then I can even create one for that is JPEG, because we saw JPG earlier on. So this is going to be JPEG, which is going to be in my images folder. Now there are more that you can create, but we are going to restrict this particular tutorial to these ones. Now I'll go ahead and hit on OK, and then I'm going to publish this particular project again. So I'll come back to my home, and then I'm going to hit and publish. Now I'm going to publish it to the same location so that we can see the changes. So our project is done publishing now. Let me come back to publish so that I can explore the particular part where our project files were published to. So as you can see, earlier on we didn't have CSS, we didn't have JavaScript, but now we have CSS, we have JavaScript. These files here are not supposed to be in any folders. That's how come they are being shown here. So this is fine. If we open our CSS folder, we see we have a lot of files in here. That would have, increased the number of files we would have gotten here. The same with the JavaScript files here. So that is how, or that is a way by which you can organize your project files in 90-Second Website Builder. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.